Hey there, future tech superstars. Infosys is calling, and trust me, this isn't your average first job kind of call. This is your chance to dive headfirst into the exciting world of IT with a company that's basically tech royalty. And the best part? They're offering a sweet salary package, up to 9 lakhs. Yeah, you heard that right. So, buckle up, because we're about to break down everything you need to know about the Infosys Hiring Process Trainee program for 2024. This is your moment to shine. Whether you're fresh out of college, still rocking that cap and gown, or just looking for your big break in the tech world, Infosys wants you. This program is designed to take eager minds like yours and mold you into the IT leaders of tomorrow. Think of it as your tech boot camp, except instead of push-ups and mud, you've got cutting-edge technology and some of the brightest minds in the business guiding you. But it's not just about the tech, folks. Infosys gets it. They know you're not just looking for a job, you're looking for a career. That's why they're offering a salary and benefits package that's practically unheard of for entry-level positions. They're talking serious earning potential here, people. Enough to finally ditch that ramen noodle diet and maybe even treat yourself to something nice. So, what are you waiting for? Keep reading to find out how you can join the ranks of Infosys and launch your IT career into the stratosphere. Now, let's talk about Infosys for a second. This isn't some fly-by-night startup operating out of someone's basement. We're talking about a global tech giant with a reputation that precedes it. For decades, Infosys has been at the forefront of the IT industry, pushing boundaries, innovating like crazy, and basically changing the game. When you join Infosys, you're not just joining a company, you're joining a legacy. You become part of a team that's literally shaping the future of technology. And let's be real, who wouldn't want that on their resume? But it's not just about the fancy buildings and impressive client roster. What truly sets Infosys apart is its people. They're passionate, driven, and seriously brilliant. And the best part? They're invested in your success. From day one, you'll be surrounded by mentors and colleagues who want to see you grow and thrive. They'll provide you with the training, support, and opportunities you need to take your career to the next level. So yeah, Infosys is kind of a big deal. And now, you have the chance to be a part of it. Okay, so you're pumped about Infosys and you're ready to throw your hat in the ring. But hold your horses, cowboy. Before you can start counting those rupees, you've got to navigate the Infosys hiring process. Don't worry, it's not as daunting as it sounds. In fact, they've made it pretty straightforward. The first step is the online exam. This is your chance to show off your technical prowess and problem-solving skills. Think of it as a mental workout for your brain. If you ace the online exam, congrats! You've made it to the interview stage. This is where you get to meet the faces behind the screens and really sell yourself. Be prepared to talk about your skills, your experiences, and why you're the perfect fit for Infosys. Don't be afraid to let your personality shine through. Infosys isn't just looking for robots. They want people who are passionate, driven, and excited to be part of the team. So, relax, be yourself, and show them what you've got. Alright, let's say you nail the interviews and officially become an Infosys trainee. What exactly does that entail? Well, get ready to roll up your sleeves and dive into the exciting world of IT. As a trainee, you'll be given real-world projects and responsibilities from day one. You'll be working alongside experienced professionals, learning the ropes, and making a tangible contribution to the company. It's like a crash course in all things IT, except you're getting paid for it. One of your primary responsibilities will be resolving client issues. Don't worry, you won't be thrown to the wolves without any support. You'll have a team of experts to guide you, and you'll receive comprehensive training on how to troubleshoot problems and provide top-notch solutions. Apply now by clicking the link provided in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more career opportunities and tech content. See you in the next video.